If you are a Samsung fan, you will soon be able to order your preferred model from the Galaxy S24 series. As you are already aware, the unpacking event is slated for January 17th, after which consumers will be able to reserve the lineup's big brother, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, on Samsung's web shop, choosing from a total of 7 color options. The official renders have already shown 2 hues of gray, in addition to purple and yellow. The 3 exclusive color options, which have recently been disclosed online for the first time in official render photos by US leaker Evan Blame, validate the previously rumored colors, may be favored by individuals who prefer their color schemes brighter but less vivid. Despite the low resolution of the press images, the colors orange, green, and blue are plainly discernible. The final 2 appear to be rather pastel. These hands-on photographs are also the first, and 2 early renders of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's projected design have recently been made available. This is the first time the new Samsung flagship has been viewed from the front with the display switched on. The titanium gray case features a rather thick frame that surrounds the black display edge, which appears to be equally thin on all sides. Next, we already know that the gadgets will be the same price as their predecessors, and according to the most recent updates, repair and hardware replacement charges will be the same, at least in Europe. According to the same Slovenian repair business, Mobistekla, official prices have yet to be determined because the phones have not been advertised. However, their rates include original parts, thus it is reasonable to conclude that repairing a shattered screen on the Samsung S24 Ultra will cost around €375. The S24 Ultra is expected to be slightly more robust because it is going to have titanium alloy frame instead of an aluminum one. Finally, we know what to anticipate from the Ultra on the 17th of January, and the same goes for the basic S24 and S24 Plus. In terms of processing, practically everyone will receive the Exynos 2400 chipset, although other areas, such as the United States and Canada, will most likely receive the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, manufactured by Qualcomm in California. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.